Hi everyone, welcome to Bikini Design Club. So what are sister sizes and how to use them? Well, sister sizes are sizes that share the same cup size and have different bandwidth. As an example, let me show you what I mean with these arrows here. So a 46B will be a sister size from 44C, from 42D, 48, 38F, and so on this diagonal on our size charts. And the same example is here. So you can always change, you keep the cup, this one and this one will share the cup and the wire size. But this is a 38 band and this is a 36 band. So while you still have the same cup size and the same wire, you will be able to reduce the back bands, or if you are a 36, you can increase the back bands. If you want to adjust your back bands, you can also do it, and we have a video for that available. Of course, this also applies to the wire charts. So when you are making a 44B, for instance, so 44 here and the B cup, if you prefer to do a 42C, you will see that the wire is exactly the same. So you can use all these wires when you go to your sister size, and of course the wire size is also the same. This is it for today, girls. Hope to see you soon. Bye!